Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer is a game-changer for professionals seeking peak productivity without the hassle of a compressor and hose. Utilizing a nitrogen air spring mechanism, this brad nailer consistently sinks nails to the perfect depth in both hard and soft woods, leaving clean nail holes that seamlessly match the nailhead. The integration of the power-state brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence ensures an unmatched firing rate with zero ramp-up time, maximizing efficiency throughout your workday. One of the standout features is its tool-free drive depth adjustment, allowing for precise customization based on your project requirements. Moreover, the absence of a gas cartridge requirement, coupled with the option for sequential and contact actuation firing modes, adds to its versatility and ease of use. In terms of usability, Milwaukee's brad nailer is compact, lightweight, and ergonomically designed, providing unparalleled access to tight spaces while reducing user fatigue. It operates using Milwaukee's red lithium batteries, sold separately, and sealed compressed nitrogen, eliminating the need for costly gas cartridges and the maintenance associated with traditional nailers. In user experiences, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brad nailer receives glowing praise. Users particularly appreciate its quiet operation, absence of spool-up sounds, and reliability, with no reported misfires or jams even under heavy use. The inclusion of various tips adds to its versatility, enhancing its value proposition. However, some users express reservations about the initial price point, though many argue that the long-term value far outweighs this investment. When considering the cost of air compressors and hoses, which are prone to wear and tear, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brad nailer emerges as a cost-effective alternative that promises consistent performance without the drawbacks of traditional pneumatic tools. In summary, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer sets a new standard for cordless nailers, combining pneumatic performance with the convenience of battery-powered operation. Its efficient design, consistent nail sinking, and user-friendly features make it a must-have tool for professional carpenters and remodelers looking to streamline their workflow and enhance productivity. While the initial price may deter some, the long-term benefits make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking reliability and convenience in their work.